Thank you, Oliver. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new BMW 3 Series. The original Neue Klasse was launched in 1961, and it was more than just a new BMW. It introduced a whole new type of vehicle at that time, a sporty, compact sedan. This concept, as we all know, became very popular with our customers and formed the foundation of the BMW brand. And as we just saw, 7 generations of 3 Series followed since. This car, the new BMW i3, shows how we continue this legacy. Confident, dynamic, and intelligent. It is and will always be the core of BMW, the very essence of what a BMW should be. And as a designer, it is a privilege to carry this icon into the future. At the front, you see a new and horizontal interpretation of our typical BMW kidney-shaped grille, which we feel fits perfectly to a sporty sedan. And this horizontal grille is combined with a very sharp and precise light graphic, giving the new 3 Series a concentrated and very modern look. Now in the side view, the car looks compact and dynamic, with a typical BMW 2.5 box silhouette. The body side is clean, with strongly sculpted wheel arches. The car is muscular and expresses movement, even when it's standing still. In the rear, there are typical BMW L-shaped tail lamps, but they are slimmer and wider than ever before. And these lamps extend into the car's shoulders and emphasize its width. In the interior, you will find the BMW Panoramic Vision and the entire user interface we have just introduced with the BMW iX3. And with this technology, the new 3 Series will feel very modern and very dynamic, putting the driver at ease and in control. Through the best driver orientation, redesigned user interaction, and a well-curated interplay of geometry, materials, and light. So, as we said last year, the Neue Klasse will be more than one car, and it will change the look and feel of the entire BMW brand. No car shows that better than this new 3 Series, now in its 8th generation. Thank you very much, and now back to you, Oliver.
Thanks, Adrian. Cutting-edge technology in a breathtaking design, that is the 3 Series. Let's take a closer look at the BMW i3 50 xDrive. The BMW i3 leverages all the technologies developed for the Neue Klasse, from driving dynamics to powertrain, from battery technology to operating concept and the digital user experience. Each element is perfectly attuned to the needs of the 3 Series, and together they create something truly new and exciting. And this applies in particular to the core characteristics of the 3 Series, the proverbial joy of driving. The heart of joy, the central computer for drive and driving dynamics, our more than 100 years of expertise in engine and chassis tuning meets state-of-the-art digital computing power. The control system extracts the absolute physical maximum from 469 electric horsepower, 645 Newton meters of torque, and the low center of gravity of the i3. And the result is sheer driving pleasure, taken to an entirely new dimension. and you will feel it in the instant you take the wheel. Whether in everyday situations or, of course, when the road becomes winding and challenging. Only we at BMW can achieve this level of perfection. And if you prefer to take it easy, our advanced assistance systems will support you with driving. We call this BMW Symbiotic Drive, when driver and vehicle become one. Always dependable, without ever compromising safety. The i3 is powered by the 6th generation BMW eDrive with 800 volts technology for the first time. And one question always comes up when talking about electric vehicles. How far can you go on a single charge? In the WLTP cycle, the i3 can travel up to 900 kilometers. Yes, 900. Unbelievable. And that's a range up to 440 miles for the Americans amongst us by the United States standard EPA. Just impressive figures that definitely make you want to take longer trips from now on. And if your dream destination is even further away, with a maximum charging capacity of 400 kilowatts, you will have enough energy for up to 400 kilometers, 400 kilowatts, 400 kilometers after just 10 minutes. And all these impressive facts underline not only the technological strengths of the i3, but also our ambition that shape the future of mobility. Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, the new i3 and the new iX3 together on stage for the very first time, a perfect twin. The iX3 marked the start of the Neue Klasse, and with the i3, we are continuing the rollout exactly as announced. Exactly as announced. We keep promises. And we are integrating the technologies of the Neue Klasse across the entire BMW lineup. By 2027, that is end of next year, we will introduce a total of 40 new or updated models. And all of them will benefit from the technologies of the Neue Klasse. Independent, you know us, of the drive technology. And ladies and gentlemen, here on stage today is just one variant of the BMW 3 Series. But the 3 Series has always been about much more than just a sedan. And that won't change in the future either. But you might ask, what other variants will there be? I don't want to reveal everything today. But there's one model I'm happy to confirm, the BMW 3 Series Touring. Business customers and family will be particularly delighted. The Touring has always been a favorite with them. What will it look like? The pictures behind me give you a first slight glimpse. Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, the new 3 Series is more than just the continuation of a legend. It marks a new beginning, born from a proud heritage and driven by the ambition to bring the future to life today. Serious production begins in August at our main plant, our mother plant if you wish, in Munich, which we completely remodeled for the Neue Klasse. And the market launch gets underway in Europe in the second half of this year.